as my best friend says, people make time for what they want to make time for and who they want to make time for.
Happy birthday to you. My beard look big still, huh?
There we go. You look like Avery.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And turn on the notification bell right there.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Build on yourself.
It's the next day.
Rainy day in Georgia.
Yeah, it's the next day.
As you can see, I'm in a different clothes.
It could have been that your bed.
Yes.
One would hope.
But them can't really see from my skin to my beard. So the only indication is a change of clothes. But granted, some people don't think clothes for dirty skin.
We don't do that over here. So
Only sometimes.
what?
I'm playing.
So anywho, it's the next day.
Is it?
I was telling you guys yesterday I had another interview. So I did today with one provider. I have another one tomorrow with another provider. So they didn't ask me he did not ask me any different questions. It was same old same. He asked me, we were talking about exactly the same thing. I'm repeating myself. The more the different people ask me the same questions, the more I'm just like, ugh. Anywho, we're going to the pediatrician, so we're picking up the girls early from school. And I don't think we even told them this morning. We just
did not,
did our thing. So they should be ready now, hopefully.
I mean, they didn't have one outside recess, so.
Now it's raining.
Yeah. I'm gonna get there.
You're not really interrupting much. I wonder what is K Day? Because I think today is K, They're doing 26 days of, what is it? I don't even know. 26 days of something where they use every single letter of the alphabet in kindergarten to have a themed day until the last day of school. So I think today is K, but I don't even remember what K was.
Why will you only pick up
Hi girlies, could you go into the pediatrician?
the pediatrician?
Why? Doctor.
Why?
So you could get your checkup. You have to get a checkup every year, so that you could go to school the next year and the next year and the next
Are you
year.
gonna give me my shot? Because I remember last time they said I'm gonna get a shot when I'm 10.
Yeah, I don't think you're getting a shot right now. You're not there yet. You
But I
already.
wasn't sad. I was
No, you are always brave, babe.
Alright, come on, sit back, sit back.
my watch is a little broken.
A little bit. You show me later. Put on your babe. Wait for them to put on their seatbelt.
I'm just gonna press right there. Come on.
Anything could happen. You're going in
Come
the
on,
road.
girls, we're gonna get in the road in about 10 seconds, please.
No. You don't keep
Yeah,
that.
that's the right one.
3, 2, 1, 0.
I've only your one click. Alright, did you get yours?
All right. Got her. Yeah.
Why is there stuff on the ground?
Avery, please
Just
put
leave
your
them.
seatbelt on.
Luckily, the doctor is right across the road. We just need to get there.
Can you fix my watch, Mama? It's a little broken.
It's a little broken.
It
Give
says
it
the
to me.
second and the date. But the day is 1-22. But some stuff are upside down.
Maybe I can barely see this. You don't say your mother can't see this well if you're up on this very dark face. So
How was school today? How was school today?
I wanted to go.
You wanted to go to Heart? I'm
Oh,
sorry.
I went on.
You like art? Maybe you could do some art when you go home.
yeah.
But we don't have paint.
We don't?
And you don't have...
We don't have paint?
Are you sure?
Yeah, we do have paint. But you don't have the things I wanted to do.
I'm sorry.
Is this a place?
Yeah,
Yes.
this is the place. You could have come here yourself. You could have just walked across the street. Oh my god. This is so good. Take one with your hand. Hey. Maga art preach now. Maga art preach. Oh, you could be a good working citizen of the world. I see these things. I don't want to try it.
We don't need to try that.
You just try it, babes.
I can promise you, I'm not have no more.
Let's go. I'm not buying no more, but it's so good.
Soup ready.
It's still the perfect ratio of chocolate and biscuit. Love it. I was nervous it was gonna have too much of one. Look what I did so.
Listen, I realize, yo, if you have a family dinner, kind of expensive, you know. Because look at us, about 3 extra people we have over. I mean, granted, that one bucket of chicken they can serve for your family.
But it's like say,
actually.
no, because you're overcooking
Yeah.
for 3 people.
I really and truly, that one box is way more than enough.
But you're not cooking that box.
No. Remember if when we had the house warming.
Oh, okay.
And at $36 that.
Yeah, that whole box.
Yeah.
Is right. Yeah.
Just do a pot of soup and I eat that.
That's 10 times cheaper than if you went to fast food place.
Yeah, far cheaper. Cause when we eat out, we spend way more than $36 for just buy meal.
The meal
each
for
away.
everybody.
Yeah, way more. That's why I say maybe we'll do on a Fridays where we just buy some wings, bro. Cause wings easy to look after.
Yeah, you're not looking after it.
Okay.
I like jerk wings. That's what I wish you would.
Yeah, me not mind do that too. You know, any
Jerk
excuse for like
wings.
any excuse for like the stove.
The grill, you mean?
Me if you go, man, I'll just take a 5.
I knew somebody. Oh my god, I don't remember his name. He used to do like every Friday. He used to just cook a thing, and then you go chill.
I mean, if me lives so far, I mean, I don't know from my friend. Every Friday we will link up through the summer.
You don't live that far. The people will live, you know, if you not get a little getaway and come and drive away. Drive out. You know, like you like for drive out.
I don't feel said for neither, because depending upon, well, on a Friday it might be a little bit rough still. But on a Friday, if you left Bronx or say maybe a little bit over an hour 20 minutes. Because if you left Friday evening, traffic will hold you. If you left New York by 12 o'clock, traffic will hold you.
Yeah, the highway they kind of disgusting on a Friday.
Anytime during the week actually, but worse on a Friday.
As my best friend says, people make time for what they want to make time for and who they want to make time for.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And turn on the notification bell right there.